What if I told you that you could earn over $150,000 a year right here in Australia without a single student debt to your name? While everyone else is stressing over HEC debts and lecture halls, thousands of Aussies are walking straight into six-figure salaries in trades, tech, and transport. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are tearing up the rulebook. I am counting down the top 7 highest-paying jobs in Australia right now that do not require a university degree. These are real jobs with real salaries based on 2026 market data. Let us get into it. Kicking off our list at number 7 is the king of the road, the multi-combination truck driver. These are the people driving the road trains up north and the double B doubles along the highways. Australia runs on logistics, and right now we are critically short of drivers. We're talking $100,000 to $150,000 a year. FIFO driving roles, that's fly in, fly out, or long-haul interstate gigs pay the absolute best. How do you get in? You need a license. Start with your HR or heavy rigid, then upgrade to your HC, and finally your MC. It costs a few $1,000 and some time, but compared to a 3-year degree, it's a shortcut to a 6-figure income. Number 6 is the data analyst. Tech is the one industry that truly values skills over certificates. You don't need a bachelor's of IT to work with data. You need to know your tools, Excel, SQL, and a visualization tool like Tableau or Power BI. Companies like Google offer professional certificates that you can complete online in 6 months. There are intensive boot camps you can do. With these skills, you can walk into a junior role and climb to over $100,000 faster than you would think. Number 5 is one of the most iconic Aussie jobs, the Stevedore, or as we used to call them, the Wharfie. These are the men and women who load and unload the ships that bring us everything we buy. It's physical, it's shift work, and it's highly skilled, and it pays around $134,000 on average. You'll need a Certificate 3 in stevedoring, which you can often get through a traineeship with the port companies themselves. If you like hands-on work and don't mind early mornings, this is a gold mine. Coming in at number 4 is the classic Aussie trade, the electrician. But not just any sparky, the specialized sparky. A standard domestic electrician does okay, but if you specialize in high voltage, industrial automation, or solar and battery installation, your price tag goes through the roof. The path here is the apprenticeship. You do your Cert 3, you earn while you learn for 4 years, and the moment you tick out, you're in demand. Industrial sparkies in the mines or on major infrastructure projects are easily clearing $130,000. No uni debt, just a trade. Number 3 is a job most people forget about. It's high stress, high responsibility, and incredibly high pay. It's the air traffic controller. Yes, you read that right, up to $200,000. Here's the kicker. You don't pay for the training. Air Services Australia runs intensive paid training courses. They pay you to learn how to do the job. You need good grades in high school, especially in English and maths, and you need to pass their rigorous aptitude tests. But if you make it through, you have a job for life that pays in the top 1% of the country. The silver medal goes to the person running the show on site, the construction manager. $164,000. These are the people who make sure the skyscrapers and housing estates get built on time and on budget. Do you need a degree in construction management? Nope. Most construction managers start as tradies. They're carpenters, bricklayers, or plumbers who work their way up. They get their builder's license, they get experience running small jobs, and eventually they're running million-dollar projects. And finally, our number 1 highest-paying job in Australia that does not require a university degree. The one that consistently tops the charts, the mining supervisor or operator. Look at that top end, close to $200,000 a year. Whether you're operating a massive dump truck, a digger, or supervising a crew in the Pilbara, the mining industry pays a premium for your time. It's FIFO life. You work hard for 2 weeks, then you fly home for a break. Entry is straightforward. You get your certifications, a Cert 2 or 3 in surface extraction operations, and your heavy vehicle licenses. You might start as a trainee, but the earning potential is unmatched for non-degree work in this country. So there you have it.
7 legitimate paths to a six-figure income in Australia that do not require a university degree. Whether you choose to drive trucks, analyze data, or fly into a mine site, the opportunity is there. The old idea that you need a degree to succeed is officially dead. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest Aussie job trends. And let me know in the comments, which of these jobs would you actually try? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.